திருக்கோளூர் பெண் பிள்ளை 70th statement சுற்றி கிடந்தேனோ திருமாலை ஆண்டானை போலே. In this statement she refers Tirumale Andan. Tirumale Andan was Acharyan of Jagadacharya Ramanuja. Tirumale Andan was disciple of Sri Alavandar. Alavandar had 5 leading important disciples. பெரிய நம்பி, பெரிய திருமலை நம்பி, திருக்கோட்டியூர் நம்பி, ஆழ்வார் திருவரங்கப் பெருமாள் அரையர் and திருமாலை ஆண்டான். Alavandar informed his disciples to teach Upadesams, the particular Upadesam by each one to Ramanuja. So his instructions were carried on by the disciples. Ramanuja was asked to attend the classes of Tirumale Andan. Tirumale Andan taught him the meaning of Thiruvalmozhi. And Ramanuja learnt Ramayanam from Periya Tirumale Nambi. And he learnt the sacred mantra from Tirukotiyur Nambi and Dvaya mantra from Periya Nambi. Ramanuja was so happy to attend the classes of Tirumale Andan, and he prostrated Tirumale Andan and started listening to him. Tirumale Andan started the class. This Tirumale Andan got the name Tirumale Andan because one of his ancestors, who was known as Kannukiniyan, he protected Azhagar from the robbers. He saved the valuables and the deity from the bad people, the dacoits, the people who were engaged in the magics, black magics. And because he saved, he was known as Tirumale Andan. So in that family, all people are given that name. All men are given that name, Tirumale Andan. So Tirumale Andan, who got the name from his ancestors, started teaching Ramanuja. Ramanuja, while attending the class, he kept his head down. Tirumale Andan, he noticed this and he asked him, "Why are you keeping your head down?" Then Ramanuja asked, "Can I say the meaning of that particular pasuram in other way?" Then Tirumale Andan said, "No. I taught you what my Acharyan Alavandar taught me." Then the days went on, and every time Ramanuja asked, but Tirumale Andan was not for giving the other meaning or Ramanuja's interpretation. Then one day he asked again. Then Ramanuja explained, "I want to give my interpretation for this." The pasuram was, "Ariya kalathulle adimaikkan anbu seivithu Ariya ma mayathu adiyene vaithai." This was by Nammalvar. So Ramanuja started asking, "Ariya kalathulle எனக்கு ஒன்றும் தெரியாத இளமை பருவத்தில் அடிமைக்கண் அன்பு செய்வதில் மிக்க ஆர்வம் உண்டாக்கினாய்." So the meaning here is, the Alvar says that when I was young, you made me do service to you. You encouraged me. So Ramanuja referred this. Why this pasuram is expressed in the way of sadness. It should be not like that, because the pasuram coming just before that and after that are not in that bhava. The Ramanujar explained his interpretation. So the first Pasuram is in the note of gratitude, because the Pasuram says Ariyadana Arivitta Atta. Here Nammalvar is talking to himself as per this Pasuram. So he says, I've learnt this, which is difficult. So he was conveying thanks. Then the third Pasuram, he says, Aviyul Kalanda Peru Nalvudavi. So that was in the note of happiness. He got excited. We learnt about Atma and the goodness. So Ramanujar said, the Pasuram coming in between should have been in the note of happiness. The Pasuram is இந்த மாய உலகத்தில் இருந்த அடியேனை எனக்கு ஒன்றும் தெரியாத இளமை பருவத்திலேயே தொண்டு செய்வதை மிகுந்த ஆர்வத்தை உண்டாக்கினாய். So you motivated me to do service to God in the young age itself. So that should have been in the note of happiness. So Alvar would have definitely sang this happily only. So all the three Pasurams should have been in the happy note only. So this interpretation was not liked by Tirumalai Andan, but after hearing it from Ramanujar, he felt, okay, even this goes well. But he didn't say yes, because he told Ramanujar, this is not the way I was taught by my Acharyan Alavandar. And he got angry and he asked Ramanujar not to attend class from there onwards. Ramanujar was very sad to leave the classes of Tirumalai Andan. This news reached Tirukottiur Nambi. So he came rushing to the place of Tirumalai Andan and he asked about it. Then Tirumalai Andan said, yes, whatever I say, Ramanujar is interpreting the meaning in a different way, but I have not learnt that from my Acharyan. Then Tirukottinambiyur explained, Ramanujar was very intelligent, he knows everything, and there is no need for him to learn from gurus, but still he follows the custom of learning from Guru, like how Krishna, though he was incarnation of Bhagavan Vishnu, he attended the classes of Santipan and learnt. And Lord Rama, Bhagavan, he took the avatar of Rama and he also attended the classes of Vasishta. So they all learnt from the Gurus. So Ramanujar also wanted to learn from Gurus, that is why he came here. And we should feel that we are fortunate to teach him. So Ramanujar, you see, and he wants to learn from us to keep up the tradition of Gurukula. And he also explained to Tirumalai Andan the meaning given by Ramanuja, because he asked Tirumalai Andan to give the meaning what Ramanuja told him. Then after hearing this, Tirukottinambiyur told Tirumalai Andan, yes, this is what our Acharya Alavandar also taught us. I think you were not present on that day. That is why you were not able to connect it with Alavandar's teaching. So it is very much correct as per our Alavandar. It is what Ramanuja told you is what Alavandar had in his mind. So you continue teaching him. Then Tirumalai Andan agreed and he started teaching for Ramanuja. Then Ramanuja as Guru and I am as Sishan, this was what Tirumalai Andan thought, and he explained. Both of them explained and discussed, and Tirumalai Andan listened to Ramanujar and accepted his interpretation. And Tirumalai Andan was just going around Ramanuja because he realized Ramanuja's potential. So he started. started learning from Ramanuja many things. And Tirumalayandan was never away from Ramanuja. He wanted to be with him and he wanted to learn more and more from him. He made his son Sundara Toludayan as disciple of Ramanuja. So as Tirumalayandan was going around, that means he was not away from Tirumalayandan, this was referred by Tirukkolur Pen Pillai. Did I ever have that kind of opportunity? Did I understand the knowledge of Ramanuja? Did I learn anything from Ramanuja like Tirumalayandan? This was the question she asked to Ramanuja, who was just in front of her. So under this situation, she said this statement, Chutri Kidandeno Tirumalayandanai Pole. Did I do like Tirumalayandan, who was going around and around Ramanuja and learnt from him?